Today on Concrete State of Mind Showcase.
So I believe we got a one-day turnaround here, and we're gonna do a level with a break in it pad right here for wheelchair lift, and then we're gonna extend the driveway out 4 foot all the way down to the sidewalk, and we're gonna run some drainage from that gutter there down, out, and down. Driveway connected with this gutter, bring it in through the yard, take it underneath our 4 foot extension down to the curb here, and out through this piece of sidewalk that's already cracked. This is where we're gonna put our drain. We gotta connect it into that. Hey, Billy. Hey, you gotta dig. Hold on. Gotta dig it so we can connect it to that. We're gonna go straight out. We took a block of sidewalk out. Right through. What's wrong, buddy?
Put your hand in it. Peyton asked me if I got her.